Hey guys, Profe Pablo here with another Minecraft tutorial. In preparation for a chicken farm that I'm getting ready to build, I decided that I needed seed. So, I built this seed farm. Now, I saw this concept from Navy Nexus. I will put his link in the description below, but his build might be different than mine. All I saw is that he had pistons moving dirt. I didn't actually look through his tutorial. Saw this wiring and stuff I did. But check his out, it might be better. But mine's really easy to build, it will not take you long. First of all, let me show you how this works. So the first thing that you're going to need is a stack of bone meal or more, or however much bone meal you have, and you stick it in to this dispenser. Now notice I have 64 pieces of bone meal. So we're going to go up here. Actually, we're going to turn on the lever and then go up. I'll just pop up here like this. And you'll notice that is making tons of flowers and seeds and breaking everything instantly. I currently do not have a collection system under this. I might make that in version 2. But for now, just collecting with my hand is fine because I'm immediately going to use it for my for my chicken farm. So you turn it off once you hear a different clicking sound or you don't see grass growing, and you go collect everything. It's kind of fun just to collect everything. Okay, and if you do it right, I went from 0 seeds to close to 100 seeds. I get mixed amounts. Usually it's a stack plus about half a stack. And that's more than enough for the chicken farm that we're going to be making. I don't need the flowers because I don't have any bee farms right now, so I'm putting them in a composter I made over here to the side, a mini composter machine that will give me bone meal back. Now this has bone meal in it from last time, so don't be like, oh my gosh, look at all that bone meal. It will give you about 10 pieces of bone meal back. Okay, to build this machine, this is what you need. You need 2 chests, 2 stacks of blocks of your choice, 2 composters, 4 hoppers, 2 redstone torches, 14 pistons, a half stack of redstone, a lever to turn it off and on, 49 grass blocks. If you don't have grass blocks, all you need is 1 grass block, and that should be enough to spread the grass to the rest of the dirt. You'll just have to wait a while. A dispenser, and 3 redstone repeaters. Okay, to build this, let's go ahead and start off. You're going to make a 7x7 platform. Then find the middle block and put down your dispenser. The dispenser should be facing up. From there, put a redstone repeater. Put redstone dust, redstone dust, redstone dust, go over here to the same level as the repeater, redstone dust, and another repeater. Now you want to make sure and get this wiring right. I've done this farm a couple times messing with the wiring, and if you don't do the clock right, you will only get 30 pieces of seed instead of 100. So you have to make this clock just like this. Okay, now you're going to place a temporary block with a block on that, and then a block over here, break that block, and then place a redstone torch right here. After placing down that redstone torch, place redstone dust here, and then you're actually going to make a very tall T. So you place a block here, and then go ahead and start your T for your repeater clock. Here's the T, break this middle block. If you're wondering what this pink stuff is, that's my chunk border. Okay, there we go. So the repeater going into this block, which is right here close to, that's pointing towards this dust. Put down a lever. Down here, you're going to put a redstone torch here, which starts the clock, and a redstone torch here. I'm going to turn it off. And then above this, I'm going to put a block. Now we're going to place our grass blocks. So you're going to crouch and click and place one here, and then fill up the same amount as your 7x7 platform. Come over here, put a block gap in between the grass and the block platform below, and then build up 3 blocks. Those are temporary blocks. And add your pistons. 1, they should be facing into the grass. 2, should be 7 on this side. Come over here, do a 2-block gap, come up 3, and place your pistons. Okay, starting on your temporary pillar, you're going to build a wall around so that none of your seeds escape. And instead of coming all the way back here, I actually come right down this gap. Okay, we are now ready to finish running our redstone. So you're going to run this over here and then on top of your pistons. They should all extend. Then run more redstone here and on top of all the pistons. Those pistons cannot extend right now because they're being pushed by the other pistons. Okay. Now you can break your temporary blocks. And if you wanted to, you could fill in the sides to make it look more like a permanent structure. But over here, you want to dig a trench. Over here to your dispenser. Go ahead and place your bone meal. And turn it on to test it. Should be working. Going to place a set of stairs going up. And it's working. Wait till the grass stops growing. Come turn it off. And gather all your stuff. After that, we need to make our mini bone meal farm. To do that, you just need a double chest, 2 hoppers, going into those hoppers, 2 composters. You could do this with just 1, but 2 makes it go faster. And then 2 hoppers into that. Okay, and like I said, in this version I don't have a collection system to automatically collect. You just collect by hand. Maybe in version 2 I will make one, but I'm going to go ahead and fill in the sides so that you see how it looks. Okay, and I'm actually going to leave this gap here so that I can access my bone meal dispenser. But yeah, so this is what it looks like when it's done. With the blocks, it looks really clean. That puts another episode of Profe Plays Minecraft in the books. Next time, we're building a chicken farm. See you next time.